Put this shit in the microwave if you want to. You're going to blow up your house because there's aluminum foil in it and it is self-heating. So that means it cooks on its own exactly how you see it right freaking there. Like, we about to see this thing in action.
Holy shit.
So we about to pop the top on this bad boy and wait 15 minutes for it to cook. Whoa, now that is freaking cool. This right here is like perfect for if you're in college, because look at that. Y'all see that steam? Whoa. Okay. Let's see what it's tasting like. All right, let go. It's good.